Owning a pool has the highest rating for entertaining, relaxing, and exercising, but there's also the cleaning, safety, and expenses.
I'm Elise Hunter, and I live here with my husband and our 2 little girls and our new pup. We have always dreamed about having a pool in our backyard. The only thing is that we've always been concerned about safety and making sure it's safe for our little kids when we're using it and when we're not using it, and just how to take care of it so that it will last us a lifetime.
Elise contacted us. She's getting a new swimming pool and wants to make sure it stays safer and cleaner. So we're going to talk to her about getting a new automatic pool cover.
The good news is that all those worries can float away by adding a CoverStar pool cover to your swimming pool.
There is no better way to keep your pool safe when it's not being used. You can just close that cover in less than 60 seconds. It's also going to help keep your pool really clean. Not going to allow all the leaves and bugs and dirt and stuff to get into there. Elise seemed really excited, and this is what we see when we tell people about automatic pool covers. How safe they are, how much they can save on water, electricity, heating, and how all of those resources being saved lessens their impact on the environment. And of course, there's nothing more convenient than an automatic pool cover. Most of the heat loss in a pool goes through evaporation, so when that pool is closed, you're going to have almost no loss of heat. It's going to cut your evaporation by up to 90%. It's going to cut your electrical and heating bills by up to 50%.
Amazing.
So it practically pays for itself. It's important to have a trained professional install your pool cover because they're not the most complicated machine, but there are a few key things to keep in mind to make sure that your cover is incorporated seamlessly, that it's going to be reliable and work well for a long time. So the way that this will work is when you build the pool, they'll have it installed and filled up. At that time, we'll come and install some encapsulation that's going to hold the track. It's going to be hidden underneath your coping, so you won't even see it.
Okay.
And a housing that the cover is going to roll up into. You'll have a lid that goes over the top of that. So, no worries about people walking on it or anything like that. They can be, super strong.
CoverStar's own manufacturing allows them to have the most innovative and durable pool cover, and they're all proudly made in USA.
Now that we have all of the pre-concrete components installed on the pool, we can begin the process of installing the final automatic pool cover. We're going to start by putting the tracks into that encapsulation. After we get the tracks installed, we'll mount the mechanism into the cover box. We do this by drilling holes for screws to line up and mount them nice and tight to the walls of the cover box. Once we have all of those components installed, we can now install the automatic cover itself. The cover is going to slide in those tracks and roll up on a tube that is in the cover box. After we've done that, we can do our final adjustments where we make sure the cover is opening, closing straight, and that everything is running smooth as possible.
Let me tell you something unique about this cover system. So first, the fabric. It's a 17-ounce heavy-duty vinyl-coated fabric. It's specially formulated for the pool environment. So it's going to be UV resistant, chemical resistant, mildew resistant. And something that CoverStar does that is unique is the heat-sealed webbing. So the webbing is the piece of the fabric that runs in the tracks. Everybody else sews their webbing to the cover, and that's the first point to fail on it. What we do with heat-sealed webbing is we take some heavy material and we heat weld it to the rest of the fabric, so it's a strong, permanent bond. Also, we've got an eclipse mechanism running it, the only automatic pool cover mechanism to be made fully out of stainless steel. And it has the best warranty on the market. We've also got a high-tech touchscreen control. We can hook up multiple switches to control it from different places, and you can also hook it up to your home's wireless network to receive safety alerts.
My kids fall in it. It's gonna be okay?
Oh yeah, you'll be fine. One of the ASTM standards is that a safety cover has to hold at least 485 pounds. That's approximately the weight of 2 adults and a child if they need to pull them off the cover.
We're so excited about it. It's gonna bring us so much peace of mind with our kids. It's so clean when we open it, and it's gonna reduce our carbon footprint, which is an extra bonus.
I love hearing that.
To find out more about how to pick the right pool cover, visit coverstar.com. And of course, visit us at designingspaces.tv.